How are you approaching residential right now as a category? Does it seem a little bit too frothy, or are there opportunities there?
Yeah, I think, look, first and foremost, we're long-term investors. We're not looking to make a quick buck. And if you look at the residential market, low inventories, low interest rates, high demand, delays in construction are really still supportive of continued price appreciation. The supply side of the equation has not caught up, and it will not catch up for some time. A likely indication that we saw leading up to the financial crisis was total mortgage debt as a percentage of GDP. Today, that stands just below 50%. In 2007, it was 70%. So that still looks healthy. At the same time, you have these long-term tailwinds, including age cohort, that demographically is really, really important to supporting the housing market. And that's 30 to 39-year-olds. Over the next decade, that is expected to continue to grow. You also have new entrants in the market, creating new pockets of demand. Single-family rental, for instance, is a newly formed investment market that didn't exist pre-GFC. So still long-term, see a lot of tailwinds supporting the sector overall.
Yeah, that institutional participation in single-family home ownership and rental is definitely a new wrinkle in this market. Have you participated in that? Is that doing something to maybe make things less affordable just in general out there for buyers?
Yeah, I think that, first of all, we do participate in it. The affordability factor is multi-dimensional. And I think, one is if you look at new homes being built, affordable homes that fall below the $200,000 category are just underbuilt and underserved. And so I think it's lack of building new affordable that's really creating the issues. I think new entrants into the market is a new opportunity for Americans who are homeowners to create additional wealth. And I think what we're seeing now, again, is just massive amounts of demand coming from owner-occupied and single-family rental buyers that is, continuing to drive pricing. But in the markets across the Sun Belt where you're seeing heavy population migration, what's happening is there's just not existing stock to serve both the rental market and the owner-occupied market. So I think rather than looking at it as increased competition, it's just, again, comes back to supply needing to catch up with the demand.